Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing a super handy trick for anyone working in Figma, how to instantly swap the fill and stroke colors on your shapes or objects. If you've ever found yourself wishing you could flip those two with just a click or a shortcut, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have one of those lightning-fast workflow techniques under your belt that can really save you time and keep your designs looking sharp. All you need is a couple of seconds and you'll look like a total Figma pro. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Figma. Whether you're working on a fresh new project or you've got something you're already tinkering with, you'll want to make sure you're in the design file where you want to play around with this shortcut. If you're new to Figma, don't worry, the interface is pretty friendly and you'll get the hang of it quickly. Just log in and you should see your dashboard with all your past files and projects. Now let's take a look at a sample shape. I've got a couple of rectangles and circles set up here, but you can use any object, could be an icon, a path, a polygon, whatever fits your creative flow. The trick works exactly the same way across all kinds of objects, so feel free to experiment with everything. Next up, we need to talk about the difference between fill and stroke, because swapping them only makes sense if you know what each one does. The fill is the color that appears inside your shape. It's like the paint inside a coloring book line. The stroke, on the other hand, is the outline or border color running around the edge. Sometimes your design will call for the fill to become the stroke and vice versa. For instance, when you want to flip the color emphasis or quickly test out alternative visual styles. Rather than manually copying, pasting, and adjusting each setting, Figma gives you a faster way. Alright, so if you've identified the object you want to work with, just click to select it. You'll see those little bounding box markers pop up around your shape, just a quick visual cue that your object is selected and ready for editing. If you're working with multiple objects, try this shortcut on one first to see how it works. Now for the magic part on your keyboard, just hold down Shift and then press X. That's Shift plus X. Take a moment here. You don't need to look around in menus or shuffle through properties. As soon as you hit those keys, Figma instantly swaps the fill and the stroke colors for your selected object. It really is that fast. If you're following along and don't see an obvious change, double-check that your shape actually has both a fill and a stroke. Sometimes, especially with icons or imported graphics, you might only have one active. If that's the case, give your object a fill and a stroke color first, then try again with Shift plus X. It's a small thing, but these details matter. And that's it, you've just learned how to dramatically speed up your color workflow and get more flexible with your designs in Figma. This little shortcut can make a big difference, whether you're just laying out ideas or polishing final assets. Try it out a few times on different objects to make it muscle memory. If this trick was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or if there's a Figma feature you're curious about, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. And for more quick tips and in-depth tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.